Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to use quick share on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Now to do that, first of all, on your Samsung phone, just open settings, then tap on connected devices. Tap on quick share, and from here just tap on who can share with you. Now instead of no one or contacts only, just select everyone for 10 minutes and select done. Now after you do that, now on your other smartphone, just open settings. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then tap on quick share. Now if you are sending a file from this smartphone, just select send. But for this video, I will send a photo from our Samsung phone to this Android phone. So I will select receive on this phone. Tap on turn on Bluetooth. After you do that, now on your Samsung phone, just select a file which you want to share. You can select any file from the Files app, or you can select a photo from the Gallery app. For an example, I will select this photo. Now just tap on share, and from here just select quick share. Tap on continue, and over here you will find the signal of this smartphone. Just tap on the signal of the other smartphone and tap on send. Now on your other smartphone, just select accept. And once you do that, you will share the selected file using quick share. And this is how you can use quick share on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.